Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's videos, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I curl the end of my braids. And I've been having a lot of comment and a lot of DM asking me to show them how I curl the end of my braid. So it doesn't matter if you are doing knotless, if you're doing knotless, if you are doing bohemian or twist. So the method I'm gonna use today's video is you can apply this in any braiding style. So step 2 of the videos, I'm going to grab my container and my little bowl. You can use any container that's comfortable for you. And also I'm going to be using a small and a medium curl today. And you can also find a roller on Amazon. You can also find this roller on Amazon. And everything I'm going to use in this video, I'm going to leave the link down below. So I'm gonna be using a regular mousse, and you can find this mousse at any local beauty supply around you. And I'm gonna boil my water up to 100-degree temperature, and I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse into that. So after adding the mousse, and I'm just gonna grab my hair and start dipping. The first time it was kind of hard to dip because of the mousse, because of the foam, but I'm gonna keep working my way till the hair can go to the bottom of the water. And after using this other section, I'm gonna switch to the next one, and I'm gonna use the same method I used in the first one. I'm just gonna like be trying to everything can get soaked out. So once everything is soaked out, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. I'm gonna put a little bit of water into the blue cup and try to soak the hair with hot water, so that way my braids can be super nice and soft. Like I twist super tight because I don't want my twist to unwrap when I dip it in the hot water, so that's the reason why I twist really tight. I'm just gonna add water so it can be more flexible with the curls. So after adding the water on the braids, and I'm also gonna like just try to be gentle with it, try to drain the water out. And I'm gonna be using my microfiber towel that I got off Amazon, and I'm also gonna dip it just one more time so the ends can be very straight. And after that, I'm gonna use my towel to dry the water from the braids. I like the way it came out. Like, look at the ends, it's very shiny and very smooth. So after I'm done with that, I'm gonna start with a big roller, and I'm just gonna grab like 2 or 3 braids, the roll that on a roller, and I'm gonna start from the top to the bottom. Sometimes what I like to do, like I like to like grab the 2 braids or 3 braids and just roll that. And the less braids you roll, the more your curls stand and the more your curls be cute. So if you add a lot of braids on the roller, your curls gonna be kind of like puffy. If you add a little bit of braids on a roller, your curls gonna be kind of skinny and bouncy. It's up, like sometimes it all depends how many rotor you have. If you don't have enough rotor, or sometimes it all depends if the client want like a medium, small, tight curves. It all depends. So today I'm gonna be doing a bouncing, a small, medium type of curves. So that's the reason why I'm using a little rotor. So I'm just gonna keep working my way till I can twist everything. And like, to be honest with you guys, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part. I love to do this part whenever I'm done doing the hair, or whenever I'm done braiding. Sometimes I'm gonna take the 45 minutes to just do this part, because like I want it come out really cute, so I take my time and do the part. It doesn't matter. Sometimes I be super tired, but it doesn't matter. I just had to. This is my favorite part. And you always have to make sure like everything is even out and everything is tight. You don't want to dip the hair in the water and the rotor come out, so you're gonna have to do it all over. So you, before you dip that in the hot water, you have to make sure everything is super tight and everything is neat, everything is even. You don't want some of your curls to be short, some be long. So and I asked my client to dip her hair backwards so I can be able to dip that for the last time. So what I do when I dip in for the last time, I don't use no mousse. I already add mousse in the water for the first time, so I'm not gonna use no more mousse right now. And I'm just gonna leave this in here like sometime for 45 seconds to 1 minute. It's all depends if you have time. But I like my hair to really done well. And I'm gonna use a towel again to dry the water from the hair because this is the last dipping. And after dipping the hair, I can see it really shiny. It's really nice and neat. So I'm gonna stop taking the curls out the rotor. You see what I was telling you? Like whenever you start from up down, it be easy to come off the rotor. You see how nice and easy it is to come out? Yeah, super nice and easy. And this is really nice, this is really cute, and I love this skirt. So like whenever sometime when I do my client hair, it stay in for a month or a month and a half. And I really like to take my time and put the curls, especially if you're doing kids hair, because they be playing around a lot with their hair. So you see how nice and easy the curls is, and I really do love these curls. I really love it. It's really pretty, it's really neat, and it's really even. And this is a small bouncing curls, so it's up to you. Whenever after you dip in the hair, you don't really have to add mousse, because I did add a mousse at the first in the water so it can be shiny. So right now if you want to add mousse, you can go ahead and do that. But as for me, I'm not going to add mousse, because if I add mousse right now, I'm going to have to kind of blow it out so the mousse can dry on the hair. So I'm just going to leave it like that and add some oil sheen. And I love this. It's really pretty, and my client love her curls. She's really love it. She told her mom that this is the best hair, this is the best style. I said, okay. So everything is nice, everything is even, and everything is smooth. So yep, thank you guys so much. If you like this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, and everything I use in the video, the link gonna be down below.